Hey, hi. Good evening, everyone. So please let me know in the chat. Am I clearly audible and the screen is visible? And also, I'll look into the YouTube chat so that I can clear your all the doubts, guys. Okay, a lot of people are having doubts regarding TCS admit card and examination dates and all. So usually, TCS NQT about as per the website they said it will start from 10th March 2026. And a lot of people are don't have any admit cards till now, or in our subscribers also we got the information that they didn't get the admit cards till now. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. The notification will go to all the our followers and subscribers, and immediately we will start our session. And well, guys, this is actually the interactive session. Okay, so you guys need to be very active in the chat so that I can clear your doubts. Whatever you would like to ask, you can ask about TCS NQT 2026 in this live chat. Okay, so I would like to ask you the first question. Have you got admit cards? Tell me in the chat. Have you guys got the admit card? Everyone, please, whoever in the live, again, I am suggesting you guys need to reply. Okay. So first, I will talk about the admit cards update, guys. Okay. We know 10th March onwards is the examination is going to happen, right? So guys, trust me, as I know already on 10th, the exam won't happen. That's why I said 15 days roadmap, even you can take care of the 20 days roadmap. And in the live sessions of our TCS, we did in Prepinsta, we did TCS series also, right? In the TCS series also, I said, right, guys, the examination might be on the weekends, not on the mid of the weeks. So remember that 10th onwards, the exams is going to happen. But the real truth is nothing but, for example, I know as per the past experience of the TCS examinations and all, they'll usually conduct on weekends more. Why? Because last year 2025 batch only happened, right? At the time, what is the issue most of the people is faced is nothing but whenever they happen the exams on weekdays, they have a coincidence with the projects, mid examinations, final year examinations and all. So many people got missed the examinations. So that is the one criteria. And maybe this time TCS have announced the TCS NQT for 3 years, right? Like 2024, 2025, 2026. So 2024, 2025 people also having some experience in their examining. Sorry, experienced candidates, right? So they will have offices and they're working people, right? So if the TCS want to connect generally for the all the students, for freshers, experienced candidate also, wisely think they will conduct on weekends. Am I right or not? It's a general common sense. So we can expect on weekends. So I'm expecting the examinations might be going to happen from this weekend. And when admit cards will come, last year TCS what they did is, if the examination is on 10th, they will send admit cards on 7th or 8th. So you can expect, for example, 10th is the exam. By this time, admit cards need to roll out, right? So till now, no admit cards are rolled out. So the examinations are not going to happen on this next 2 to 3 days. At least they will give you 2 days of gap before your examination. So imagine, for example, if the people having the examination on 12th and 13th, they will get tomorrow. For example, the people who are having exam on 14th and 15th, they will get 2 3 days before of the examination. So remember this word that prepare, which is nothing but focus on preparation, not on the admit cards. Okay. And a lot of people are doing in the internet like admit cards update, admit card rolled out, and some people are showing the admit cards on the examination dates and all. Those are nothing but remaining TCS exams. Guys, a lot of people are confusing you in the online as well. You need to know the difference between TCS, paid NQT and free NQT. Okay, TCS NQT 2026 All India examination, free NQT admit cards are not rolled out. And TCS tag examination in some colleges are rolled out. Tag exam is nothing but it's a TCS through code beta. And also TCS paid NQT is also happening. So don't worry, free NQT admit cards are not yet rollout. And 2026, 2025, 2024 batch students, again I'm telling you, last year for 2025 batch only, the examinations are happened like 1 month long, 1.5 month long as well. Some people who are unable to write the exam, or some candidates got very last date also in April also, right? So remember, this time 3 years people are doing this. Like 3 years, they are doing the examination. So for example, 2024, try 6. So imagine India, how many people will be there? So these many people, if the TCS want to conduct the examination, they need to take care of their students and location and the availability of the TCS centers, right? Why? Because in the TCS ION hubs, government examinations will go on, statewide exams will going on, and central exams also will happen in the TCS ION centers. Why? Because every examination recent days are digitalized, right? There is no off like paper based examinations. All are computer based examinations. So TCS ION is partnered with the government. So all government exams will happen in TCS ION hubs, groups or banks, whatever it might be. So TCS also need to take care of that examination, right? So whenever the free slots were there, based on the location, different dates will roll out to the different state students and different year students. Okay, so don't worry, focus on your preparation. Whenever the admit cards are rolling out in an official manner, we will come to the live and we will conduct a session and we will tell you all the details in detail. Okay, what are the things you need to take care before the examination and all. As of now, please focus on your preparation. Okay, and also one more thing, people will think once the admit cards are rolled out, a lot of people think that, sir, admit cards are rolled out. I didn't get any admit card. Am I eligible to TCS or not? A lot of people ask this question. Last year also we got it. So this year also I am talking before only. So just remember this. Even if you applied for the TCS on the day one, you may not get the admit card early. Even if you apply on the 20th, maybe you will get the admit card by 24th, 25th also. So there is nothing like I applied very late, like very last date. So I will get the exam date also very long after other people. There is no reality of it. Even if you apply early or even if you are not applied early, there is no criteria that you will get late examination, you get early examination. Based on the TCS ION hub in our locality, availability and all, they will look after that and they will conduct the examinations. For example, if you applied on 20, maybe on 24th you will have examination. Within the 2 days, they will send the admit card. So there is nothing like that. You will get again 20 days gap if you apply on 20, right? So don't think like that. Whenever you applied, you will get the exam date. Just you need to be ready. And before 2 to 3 days, they will send you and you need to select nearest location, test locations. For example, you need to travel within the 1 day or half day. That would be better if you select the nearest location of your TCS center. Okay. For the interview, it's a different thing. Like TCS office near like Hyderabad, Bangalore locations are all are different. Those for the interview purpose. And in the district wide, they have given the list, right? Those are for TCS ION hubs. And also the second question people are having, sir, I have completed registration and applied drive only. It's enough for selecting. Yes, Application process completed, apply for the drive, then it is perfectly applied, no problem. And then in the TCS official portal, they said also this. I will show you. Okay. So TCS NQT 2026. People are having these doubts. I got it. Lead code coder. TCS admit cards are not yet released. Directly I'm saying not yet released. Why? Because so many people think that tomorrow is the exam. Where is the admit cards? So that's why we came to the live. There is no admit card released. So don't worry. Keep focus on your preparation. And daily once check your mails. That's it. From tomorrow onwards, daily check your mails. And guys, please focus here in the application process. See whatever they're saying. The application form can be filled after the test results are declared. So, for example, a lot of people are not getting application form to fill. Don't worry, if you didn't fill the form also fine. You have to apply for the drive is the major thing. For example, in order to confirm your status, click on the track application. The status should reflect as applied for the drive. If you have applied for the drive, even without application form filling, you are eligible for the examination. After the results, you will get a chance to update your application form, or you can fill the application form at the time. Okay. So this doubt also I have cleared you, right? And some people are saying, is it digital is there or not? Guys, see in the TCS official portal itself, it is showing hiring categories and nature of the work. Hiring categories, they have mentioned all the three roles. So this is TCS is for three different roles, not only for prime and digital. It is also for ninja role. Sir, why they have given salary for this too? Guys, please remember, this is salary differentiations were there in the prime and digital role. So salary differentiation is there. That's why they have mentioned here in a specific manner. Okay. If they have a differentiation in the ninja also, they might be mentioned. But they don't have any ninja differentiation in the package. Only this ninja is for the freshers. So that's why they haven't mentioned anything. Okay. And also test pattern also you can see here. TCS NQT is integrated test consisting of two sections, foundation and advanced. And carefully observe here. While we are encouraging both sections, advanced section is mandatory for digital and prime. And also see, based on the test performance, you will be qualified for prime digital ninja. So they are talking about ninja offer as well. So don't get like don't get confused whether they are having ninja role or not. Okay. So I hope I cleared your doubt about admit card. I have cleared you details about ninja role, and I have cleared you about application form. Now it's your time to ask the questions more. Okay. Ajay, please focus on the test as of now. The results will be within the 20 days they will declare. Yes, how we will be notified for the admit card? Guys, from now onwards, I am telling you one thing. On daily basis, please please open your mail ID daily in the morning once and at the night time while you are sleeping once. Okay. So daily check, nothing else. And they have clearly mentioned in the website itself, they will contact you for any updates of the admit card and all. You can see in the FAQ section about the admit card and all. They said they will send you over the official mail ID, sorry, personal mail ID, whatever you mentioned in the website. So while registering for the TCS NQT, whatever the email ID you have given, they will send details over your personal email ID. Okay. Yeah, lead coder, I will tell you what kind of examination questions will come. I will give you a simple strategy at the end. Sir, I am good at DSA. I have solved 350 problems, but not good at aptitude. I have practiced much aptitude problems, but not confident. Can we please make a video covering all problems? Whom we already did a live on numerical ability and reasoning ability, like 6 live sessions on numerical ability, 5 sessions on reasoning ability. We covered around 10 topics from each topic. You can check them. Anirudh, they didn't skip the 10th March exam date. They said 10th onwards we were going to conduct the exam. That's it. So maybe 10th onwards means 20th March also after 10th, 30th March also after that. Again, I am telling you, cricket, whatever the name it is, whenever you apply, it doesn't matter. Based on your location, based on the TCS ION hub vacancy, which is nothing but availability, they will give you the exam dates. Okay, whatever the doubts you have, you can now guys ask me. And also guys, this is the placement season and a lot of updates we are giving in our Instagram handle. And you can log into our Instagram handle, Instagram, Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram channels. Follow all the channels and we are happy to update you guys on immediate basis. So all the links are given in the description of the video. Yes, Om, this year definitely the difficulty level of the examination will be high. So please practice. High means the way of asking question will be difficult. Yeah, Kushi Jain, that's what we are saying. Don't wait for admit card. Admit card will come anytime. Focus on your preparation. So again, I'm telling you, admit cards are not yet announced. So please focus on your preparation. So still you have bonus time. Yeah, once the admit card started releasing, even for the first batch, I will come to the live. I will guide you guys what are the things you need to take care. And simply, I will tell you before going to the TCS exam center, download the admit card. Again, I'm telling you, admit card not yet announced. Still, I am giving you the instruction. Someone asked, what are the things I need to take care? Okay, admit card printout and original government ID proof. And if you carry college ID proof is also good for the freshers, whoever having experience like 25, 24 batch students, uh, Aadhaar card or any government ID proof you need to take care. It's better you can bring your Aadhaar card. Why? Because you have mentioned Aadhaar card details also while registering, right? So better to bring Aadhaar card and rough paper, pen and everything they will provide. Just carry a pen on safer side, but don't bring it. Apart from that, you don't need to take care of anything. They don't do any document verification and all. Just they need your identity proof and admit card uh, printout. And I suggest don't carry any gadgets or digital watches. Everything they will kept outside, or you need to store it in a locker or something like that. So it's a waste of time, right? At the exam center. So don't carry. And also one more thing, reach to the TCS Ion Hub at least 1 to 2 hours before. Upasana, I already told you, just rewatch the live. TCS is also having Ninja role this time. Don't get any type of doubts. Ninja role is there. Okay, Taylor Blessy, definitely I will do one live for the permutations and combinations and probability video. Don't worry. Yeah, Kushi Jain, if there is an exam tomorrow, definitely you will get 3 days before. Like for example, guys, I have exam tomorrow. Definitely I need to get admit card Saturday, right? So that I can arrange the traveling and I can take all the prerequisitions like printouts and all. Right? So at least 2 days they will give you. Darshan, that's what I am saying. Ninja is not having any salary differentiation. That's why they haven't mentioned here. But if you scroll down in the hiring category, they have mentioned, and in the selection process also they are mentioning. You will get a call for 3 roles, any interview for 3 roles. So don't get confused, guys. Okay. So this is all about the doubts related to the examinations and admit cards and everything. Again, last I am saying, at any time you will get the admit cards, and in the next 2 to 3 days you will have examinations after admit card. And whenever you have a examination, please take care and prepare, revise the things. And meanwhile, admit cards are not yet announced. So whenever it is announced, I will come to the live and I will tell you the things again. Okay. Meanwhile, prepare and focus on your preparation. And guys, also prepare from our Prepinsta Prime easily for your TCS preparation. And you can see all the TCS course here. And if you are preparing for TCS NQT, you can directly come to our Prepinsta Prime and you can click on the TCS course and you can see the foundation section, numerical ability. Those who are, again, I'm telling you, sir, what is the priority of coding and aptitude? Guys, again and again, I'm saying, remember this, aptitude equal to coding for TCS. Why aptitude is equal to coding is nothing but in the TCS foundation section is the common bridge for all the 3 roles. If you can't clear foundation section, even though you did coding very well, you are a professional in coding, still you can't select for the TCS. TCS foundation section will make you guys to close to the 3 roles. And a coding question will decide which role you will get. So at least to get one job from the TCS, aptitude is mandatory. In order to get higher packages, coding is mandatory. So please watch both aptitude and coding. Both are equal for the TCS. For the remaining companies, I will say like for a few companies, I will say, for example, coding is very important. And for some companies, I will say communication skills are very important. Like this, I will change. But for the TCS, the thing I will always say to the students and I will make our students to follow is aptitude is equal to coding. Equal priority. 2 hours prepare aptitude, 2 hours prepare coding. That's it. So that's why foundation, numerical ability, and reasoning ability, foundation, and verbal ability. And if you want to prepare advanced quant, advanced reasoning, and coding, everything you can get under this course. And also, if you want to prepare for any other different courses, not only TCS, for all your placement needs, you can directly take a subscription from our Prepinsta Prime and you can start your preparation. And meanwhile, whatever the doubts you have, you can put it in the comment section, guys. Okay. And also, if you want to prepare company specific, for example, company specific you want to prepare, you can also have a company specific syllabus also in our prepinsta.com. And programming and aptitude and a syllabus of each and every company. So prepinsta.com is content oriented. So where you can practice a lot of things and get the information. And our Prepinsta Prime is video based lecture course, which is nothing but you will get all the content in video lectures. Both the subscriptions are same. Once you get the subscription, you will get the access to the both. So where you can learn from Prepinsta Prime and you can practice in prepinsta.com. And the prices, if you see 12 months, it is 5,000 rupees. And if you use the coupon code, KTK Max, and you will get instantly 20% discount and 1,000 rupees off, and you will get it for 3,999, which is nothing but 1 year 4,000 rupees. So it's a wise investment for your all placements preparation. Not only for placements, if you want to upskill yourself, Gen AI, data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, Power BI, machine learning, cloud computing, data analytics, and cyber security, cloud computing, ethical hacking, deep learning, and GitHub. Every students need to know all the things you will get under a single subscription. Not only this, if you want to become a full stack developer, or if you want to learn the knowledge about the full stack, there is a MERN stack full course here. You can go through front end, back end, on everything, database. And if you don't know about computer science subjects, and if you want to learn, you can learn from here. Interview ready courses, DBMS, computer networking, SQL, SDLC, and operating systems. Not only that, all interview preparation like projects, interview experience of previous companies. And if you want to learn, like if you want to prepare your resume or guesstimates, case studies for JDS, and group discussion for few companies, all these things you will get a under single subscription. Okay, use the coupon code, get it immediately. And I am looking into the chart, guys. Again, what is your doubts? My other tab got discharged. Give me a second. I am opening the live in my mobile so that I can. Yes. What is the doubt? Oh, if the aptitude difficulty is medium and we score 7 to 10, can we get at least Ninja this year? Because applications are also more. Yeah, for example, the difficulty level of aptitude is medium. In aptitude, how many questions you will get? At least 20 questions, right? So 50% score is not enough. At least you need to score 12 to 13 questions correctly. Then only you have a good chances to get into the safe zone for Ninja at least. Yeah. Maya Shri is asking, is the interview will happen in the in center or other states? Guys, you have selected two different categories, right? For example, in the TCS, what I can say, for the TCS ION centers, district wide, you have selected some centers. There you will write online assessment. And after getting selected, you have selected job locations, right? So most probably in the one of the job location, interviews will happen. So from the last year, what TCS is doing is nothing but they are calling the students to the TCS offices for the interviews. Okay. Yeah, Tanmay, definitely I will do a video on this type of questions they will ask you at the interview. Till we are at the written test, so focus on the written test. Once it is done, once the results are rolling out, at the time I will come and I will do the lives for how to prepare for interviews. Tanmay, average in aptitude won't affect your all placements, but it will affect in the TCS. At least now you can start your practice. Definitely you can achieve it. Okay, I think people are not having much doubts about admit card now. Guys, tell me in the chat. Admit card and admit card related doubts are got resolved, right? Everyone in the chat, let me know. If you say yes, I can go forward. Okay. So whatever the doubts you have, put it in the chat box. I will definitely answer you guys for the next 10-15 minutes. And also people are asking for what are the syllabus we need to take care for TCS NQT this year. So again and again, I am telling you guys, please take care of this syllabus. Okay. So you can see the screen over the YouTube, right? So please quickly take the screenshot of it and prepare those topics in the numerical ability. Sir, I don't have 60% marks in 12th, but other 10. See, MH, to be honest, I'm saying maybe you will get selected for during the document verification. TCS are very strict about the rules. So it might become one of the issue for you. So I suggest you to write the exam, but after the results, whenever they are going through the document verification, if you have a luck, if they haven't seen that or something like that, maybe 10% chance you may get selected. But if they properly verified your all the documents according to the TCN terms and condition, all the 10th inter and graduation must be 60%. And this time the competition is also very high and they are recruiting a lot of different year candidates, right? So they will be very strict in the document verification. Sorry to say that. Maybe not, you may not able to clear that documentation verification round. Okay, so this is all the syllabus about numerical ability. You need to take care about elementary statistics, percentages, time and work, areas and mensurations, number systems, equations, data interpretation, simple interest, compound interest, simplification, profit and loss, speed, boats and streams, ratio proportions, irrigation mixtures, P and C and probability and partnerships and LCM HCF. And if you guys see, out of these topics, I have covered around 10 topics. Only the remaining 3 to 4 topics left you need to prepare. And also I will cover them with the previous year questions of TCS in the upcoming days. Don't worry. In the next 2 to 3 days, I will again do the live sessions in our Prepinsta and you can complete these topics. And these are the topics you need to take care for the logical reasoning. And in the logical reasoning, guys, coding, decoding, cubes, folds and cuts, attention to the details, blood relations, arrangements, and visual reasoning, Venn diagram oriented, syllogism, data sufficiency, and assumptions, and statement conclusion, statement course of action, and statement arguments. These are the important topics you need to take care. And also, if you see in our live sessions, I have completed blood relations and arrangements, visual reasoning video, and also I have completed cubes folding unfolding, coding decoding, syllogism, and Venn diagram based. I have covered 60% of the topics in the live sessions. Means what kind of questions they will give. And for the theoretical knowledge, you need to take care of our Prepinsta Prime, guys. Why? Because in a single video you can't get placement. Again, I'm telling you, whatever in the live I have told you is just 20%, 30% of the content. Remaining you will get in our Prepinsta Prime. So grab the subscription, use the coupon code KTK Max. And meanwhile, whoever in the live, whoever having a doubts, you can give me the. Yeah, Karthik, all the previous year DSA questions also there in the prepinsta.com and Prepinsta Prime as well. You can see our previous year coding questions. And next, verbal ability. These are the topics you need to take care. Reading comprehension, sentence correction, sentence completion and fill in the blanks, error identification, grammar, sentence and parajumbles, synonyms and antonyms. Sir, if I fill the form on 15th, by when can test be conducted? Yeah, Diya Sharma, at any time they will conduct the test. For example, if you applied on 15, maybe you will get the exam date within the next 3 to 4 days also, if they started. There is nothing like I applied very lately, I will get very late. No? Okay. And when coming to the at least first question, if you want to clear, you need to be very good with numbers and functions and recursions and looping and control system, sorry, conditional statements. And after that, you need to know about arrays and strings and number conversion, ASCII related questions, and pattern printing. These are the important topics you guys need to take care in the TCS. At least if you want to clear one coding question. For example, if you want to clear the second coding question as well, and you need to take care about the coding question from advanced arrays, advanced strings, advanced matrices, sorting and searching algorithms, queues, stacks, balanced parentheses, infix, postfix, and prefix. And also, guys, I am telling you, dynamic programming. At least in a slot here and there, I have seen one question. Backtracking, greedy algorithms, graphs, and all the important things you need to take care. Okay. So these are all the important topics for the coding. You need to take care, guys. Please take the screenshot. So this is the question one. Topics you need to take that and take a screenshot. Yeah, unique beatbox. Tomorrow is not the examination date. From tomorrow onwards, the exams will start. What is that? TCS. That is what TCS mentioned. If TCS have sorry, TCS compilers will have a AI like auto filling and everything, then why you have to write the exam? So they don't provide this type of things. They will test your coding skills. If you have all these things before ready, even basic learner also can do the best coding. Okay. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the chat, or else we will conclude the today's session. So I would like to hear from you guys. Do you guys have any doubts, or am I cleared all your doubts? If you don't have any doubts, please in the chat. Good to go, and we will complete the session. And from tomorrow onwards, again, we will start our preparation videos. So, guys, I'm looking into the chart. Please quickly let me know. I think people don't have any doubts. I think we can conclude the session as well. If you don't have any doubts, guys. Okay, so these are all the topics you need to take care. And also, guys, don't forget to follow our all social media handles for the immediate updates. So whenever the admit cards and exam dates are rolled out, we'll immediately come to our Instagram and we will update the students. So follow all our social media handles, which is given in the description of the video, and use the coupon code KTK Max to get the Prepinsta Prime subscription. All the best, guys. Prepare well, and people are not having any doubts. So I'm just stopping from here. Yeah, Palak Sharma, I think you don't have uh, your profile might be you are already selected, right? So maybe your profile got freezed. You can apply through another email ID. Try it. Okay, Vinil, definitely I will do a video on how to take a input in TCS compiler. Okay, so next video I will definitely do that. Prasad, you don't have to update your resume. First, apply to the examination or apply to the drive. And first, once you clear the examination, they will give you a chance to update your profile. Like you can edit your profile application. At the time, you can update the updated resume. Yeah, DSA questions for the TCS is a little bit easy. Up to intermediate DSA, it's more than enough. Okay, guys, that's it from my end. I think everything's sorted. So see you guys. See you in the next line. Bye bye.